Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time and your location you are seeing this video. So guys, I want us to talk about reproductive system. First of all, what is the meaning of reproductive system? Let me just give you the brief meaning of reproductive system, and I will take it down steps by steps. The reproductive system is the tissues, glands and organs involved in producing offsprings. Offsprings means children. Anytime you hear this word, anytime you come across these words, offspring, it simply means children in women. The reproductive system includes the ovaries, the fallopian tubes, the uterus, the cervix and the vagina. That is reproductive system for women. The cervix and the vagina, all together, they are all for women, for reproductive system. When you ask women what is which part of body that women have their own reproductive system, that is what I'm trying to mention here. And in men, it includes the prostrates, testes and the penis. That is reproductive system for men. And when you come across this word reproductive system, don't forget that we have 7 functions of reproductive system, and I'll be mentioning 3 because of time and patience. You will have to watch this video, you understand. And number 1 is liberation of an ovum or eggs at a specific time in reproductive cycle. Talk about number 1 functions of reproductive system, and we want to look at the number 2. I said it's 7 functions, but I will be mentioning 3 because of time. Number 2 is internal fertilization of the ovum by spermatozoa or sperm cells. If you don't call it spermatozoa, you can call it sperm cells. I don't know if you are understanding my teaching. If you don't get any of this, you can still put it in the comment section. I will answer any of your questions. And number 3 functions of reproductive system. I've mentioned 1, I've mentioned 2, and the third one is transport of the fertilized ovum. In my next video, I will still explain all these things one after the other. I will still I will digest it. You know, some people will be asking, what is transport of the fertilized ovum? I'm cutting these videos one after the other because of the have to watch this video. So I will cut down every explanation in my next video. And we have, you ask what is the introduction of reproductive system? We have introduction of reproductive system, and which simply means reproductive system is a collection of internal and external organs in both males and females that works together. They works together, they don't work separate. That works together for purpose of procreating. Procreating means bearing of children. You ask yourself, what is the introduction of reproductive system? Introduction of the reproductive system is a collection of internal and external organs in both males and females that works together for purpose of procreating. Procreating simply means bearing of children. When man and woman join together to procreate, to bring offsprings in times of childbirth, in times of. So you understand. And what are the different types of reproductive system? We have different types of reproductive system. There are 2 different types of reproductive system. Some people might know it and some people might not know it. And those 2 types of reproductive system, the 2 are asexual and sexual reproductive system. Though asexual reproduction is faster and more energy efficient, while sexual reproduction better promotes genetics diversity through new combinations. I don't know if you are understanding what I'm saying. I will still take it one after the other so that you will understand me better. In case some people will come across, they will say, we don't really understand your teaching. What about so this and in a reproductive system?